I just got back from auditing a footwear factory. On the surface, everything looked great. Nice showroom, polite sales rep, valid certificates on the wall. But when we walked onto the production floor, we found cracks in the system. Not malicious ones, but the kind that operational mess that causes delays and defects. Today, I'm going to teach you the 3-point audit we use here. Whether you're flying there yourself or doing this over a Zoom call, there are 3 things you must check before you send a deposit. In the showroom, they show you the finished shoe, but on the floor, you need to look at the machines making it. If a cutting machine is rusty or leaking oil, it means it's not being maintained. Ask the factory, show me the maintenance log for this specific machine. If they say, oh, the technician has it, that's a red flag. Real factories have a card hanging on the machine with dates of the last checkup. No log can equal high risk of breakdown mid-production and may mean that your order will get delayed. I saw materials piled on the floor in a corner. Why is this bad? 2 reasons. Materials on the floor absorbs moisture. Your shoes may rot. Glue expires. EVA foam shrinks over time. If they don't have a labeling system to use the old stuff first, they might use expired glue on your shoes. Result, the sole falls off in 3 months. So ask them to show you the raw material warehouse. Look for labels on the boxes with dates. If it's just a pile of unlabeled rolls, run away. Now, every factory has a framed ISO or BSCI certificate or some kind of certificate in the lobby. That's an easy buy or fake. What is hard to fake is the culture. Now, don't ask to see the certificate. Ask to see the training logs or the fire extinguisher inspection tags. You walk up to a fire extinguisher. Is the tag signed for this month? If the tag says the last check was 2022, that safety certificate in the lobby could be a lie. If they don't care about the fire safety, they definitely don't care about your quality standards. Now you might be thinking, hey Ivan, I can't fly to Laos, Cambodia, or wherever for a 500 pair order. And that's fine. Schedule a video call, but do not let them sit in the conference room. Tell them, take the phone and walk to the warehouse. I want to see the glue storage. If they hesitate or the connection suddenly drops, they're hiding something. A legit factory will proudly walk you through. Manufacturing isn't just about the product, it's about the process. Rusty machines, messy piles, and fake safety checks are signs of a factory that is barely holding it together. Now, we do these audits physically, so you don't have to guess. If you're looking to move production to Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, or any other places and need boots on the ground, let's talk.